If you've ever wanted to join a live stream on Telegram but weren't quite sure where to begin, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to find a Telegram channel and join a live broadcast, making it easy to participate in real-time conversations or tune into events as they happen. Let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is find the Telegram channel that's hosting the live stream you want to join. Now, this might sound obvious, but finding the right channel is actually half the battle. You might already have an invitation link, or maybe it's a channel you follow regularly. If you're searching for a new channel, you can use the Telegram search bar at the top of your screen and type in keywords related to the event or topic you're interested in. For example, if you're looking for a live stream about tech news, try typing Tech News Live and see what channels come up. Once you spot the right channel in the results, tap on it to open the channel page. At this point, you'll probably see a feed of posts from the channel, but in order to join a live stream, you have to be a member of the channel. So direct your attention up to the top right corner of the channel page. You should see a join button. It usually looks fairly prominent, so it's tough to miss. Go ahead and give that a tap. Sometimes, if it's a public channel, you'll be added instantly. If it's a private or invite-only channel, you may need approval from a moderator, so don't be alarmed if you see a little pending message or if you have to wait a few moments for access. Telegram does a good job of guiding you through this, but just keep an eye out for any messages that pop up. Now, once you've joined the channel, there's just one more step. Look for a post that's marked as live or shows a little live broadcast icon. These are usually pinned at the top of the channel so you don't have to scroll too much. Tap on that live stream post and you'll instantly be brought into the live broadcast. It's as simple as that. You don't have to download anything extra or fill out any forms. One click and you're there. If you join a little late, don't worry. Many hosts leave the stream open for a while, and you can catch up on what people are chatting about or just enjoy being part of the action. Think of it like joining a virtual auditorium. You find the right event, walk in, and suddenly you're right there with everyone else, no tickets required. And if at any point you run into a stream not started message, it just means the host hasn't gone live yet. Simply check back in a few minutes. Live streams start on different schedules depending on the organizer. So in summary, find the right Telegram channel, tap the join button at the top right, and then select the live stream post once you're inside. That's literally all it takes to be part of a live Telegram event. If you found this helpful, please go ahead and hit that like button and consider subscribing for more straightforward tech tutorials just like this. Got any questions or ran into any snags along the way? Drop your thoughts down below in the comments. I'm here to help and would love to know how your Telegram experience is going. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.